I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Mark's Cannoli. Honestly guys, it is also my first time to try a cannoli. Well, cannoli is an Italian pastry in which a fried tube-shaped dough is filled with a ricotta cream cheese. So it is crunchy and creamy at the same time, and I've heard a lot are addicted with this across the globe. And they have these two classic flavors, the original and the chocolate, which is at 49 pesos per piece or 140 for a box of 3. And they also have these premium flavors, the pistachio, almond, and chocolate chips, which are at 65 pesos per piece or 185 for a box of 3. And they have this walnut also as their new flavor. Let's try it guys. Honestly excited ko, and trust me, it is so creamy. So mura ra gyud siya og cream cheese nga mas creamy siya sa cream cheese. And they have this chocolate flavor, and the chocolate lover in me, for me, in the two classics, this is the better one, as in. And let's try the pistachio, and it is so Christmassy, and the pistachio is all throughout the cream. I really thought that as a edging. And I'm excited to try this, the chocolate chip. Well, the chocolate lover man ko. And of all the 4 flavors, this is my favorite na. Trust me. The country chocolate chip. And lastly, the almonds. Sa almonds, lami siya, but I really wish na sila yung chocolate variant ani. Kaya chocolate plus almond would be very, very perfect. And the walnut. So another Christmassy feel kayo siya. Balikan ako ang chocolate kaya brag lamig yung kaayos siya. Trust me guys. So to order, just message Mark Cannoli in Facebook and in Instagram. Don't forget to follow me in all my social media account and brush your teeth after eating. And please continue to stay safe and just keep smiling.